Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we'll learn how we can add a Mailto link in the SharePoint pages. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can do that. Okay friends, so we have logged into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center and here we have the SharePoint Admin Center. Let's open it in the new tab. And in SharePoint Admin Center, I will open my site, which is first PBL. I will open this site in the new tab. Alright, so in this particular site, we have this home page and here you can see there are few web parts. Say for example, if there are many users who have the access on this particular site, if they have any sort of queries and if they want to give any sort of suggestion on this particular site so that we can modify and design it in the most attractive way. So for that, what we can do, we can here I will enter like, if you have any suggestion, kindly mail us on this particular email. So for that, let's see how we can add that. So I will click on edit. Okay, so I have edited this page and here in this section I will click on plus, and here let me try to add the text web part. So let me enter the text here. Okay, so I have entered the text. If you have any suggestion regarding this site or queries, please email us at contact@kaptechpro.com. And now I will click on republish. Okay, so after republishing this page, you can see we have this some web parts, and this particular this message which is mentioned over here. So what if any user have the suggestion or queries, he has to copy this mail address and then he has to open his the Outlook or maybe the Gmail to mail us. And so what I want my users to click on this and they should directly navigate to their Gmail or either Outlook for sending us an email. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, I will again click on edit. So now what we can do, we can simply select this our email address, and here we'll get a option of hyperlink. We'll click on it. So here by default it will ask you to add https:// So what we'll do, we'll simply type mail to and then colon, and now you can simply copy this email address and you can paste it in front of mail to. And now before you click on save, just remove this https:// Okay, so now it's mail to contact@my email address. So now we'll click on save and now we'll republish this page. Alright, so our page is now republished, and if any of the user will land up to this page in the home site, he will get this message. If you have any suggestions regarding this site or queries, please email us at this email address. So user can simply click on it. He will easily navigate to the Outlook or anything. From here you want to shoot an email to this particular email address. So friends, that's how we can add a Mailto link in our SharePoint pages. So that's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.